I love this. I absolutely love this. This is what I wanted to do my whole entire life.
This is Raymond Lahoud. He's a 34-year-old immigration attorney from Easton, Pennsylvania.
I'm not sleeping. This is the first time I shaved just because I'm here. Yesterday was a mess. You should see me. We didn't even enter pleadings yet, I believe, but nonetheless, we will accept your decision and take it.
It's early in the Trump administration, and Ray scrambles to prepare his clients for an uncertain legal future.
Well, first of all, the day after the election, I mean, we were averaging 150 to 200 calls a day, just after the election.
Good afternoon, law offices. Angela speaking.
When President Trump signed the executive order, in terms of calls and in terms of the reaction that we got here in the Valley, I think now it's like a fear of what's going to come next? Who's next?
But while an order like the original Trump travel ban is destabilizing, for Ray and many of his clients, it's just one more snag in an already tangled immigration system. Nowadays, his firm receives on average over 200 calls per day from prospective clients.
The system, it's always been like this. The ban specifically, that wasn't there before, but it wasn't easy to bring people here from Yemen.
Ray's firm is just blocks away from his childhood home. He's the son of Lebanese immigrants, and Ray and his sisters were raised by a single mother after their father died when Ray was 5.
A lot of these immigrants are trying to they've come here for a better life. For the same exact reason my mom came here for. Same exact reason she came here for. Except she had a piece of paper when she came in. I guess that makes the biggest deal. But does that, yeah.
Ray spends his days meeting clients, reviewing cases, and traveling to immigration courts throughout the region.
Our DA and even our president, they're reading the law the way it's written right now. It is. It's against the law to cross, the border. But the way the law reads, it is what it is. But there's a human side to this. This isn't like a criminal case. I mean, this is like eternal banishment. It's complete separation from your family. My position on it, that there's times where discretion has to be used.
Back at the office, Ray receives a call from 2 clients who have been pulled over by state police. The driver, an immigrant from Brazil, doesn't have a license, but his immigration paperwork is good.
Where is the cop right now? Is he behind you? First of all, let me make this clear, all right? They cannot take you in immigration. Your case is closed with immigration, all right?
The other man is originally from Nicaragua. He recently hired Ray to help him overcome a deportation order.
Ask him what the charge is. Ask him what the charge. Are you charging me? Where is he? These guys, the one guy has an order of deportation against him, so if they take him, it's like he's out. It's crazy. And do you know if ICE is there yet? I need time right now because he is in a motion to reopen. No, I need him to buy me. I need time.
After questioning the men, the state police contact Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE. Eventually, the government detains the man from Nicaragua.
ICE is going to take him into custody right now, okay? Give him my card and tell him you don't want to answer any questions, and that's it. Are you kidding me? Don't answer the question. Don't answer the question. Don't answer the question. Because that never would have happened. He never would have been. If this was a couple years ago, he never would have been. They never would have called ICE on him.
Ray watched his first trial in 1996 at age 14. It was a murder trial. He was given a front row seat by this man.
John Morganelli, M-O-R-G-A-N-E-L-L-I.
John Morganelli is the county district attorney. His office in the county courthouse is right across the street from Ray's firm. DA Morganelli is an immigration hardliner.
And my view of this is very simple. We have enough homegrown criminals right here, natural-born citizens. We don't need to have an open invitation to foreign criminals to enter our country. Immigration is great, but we get to decide who comes into the country, not the immigrants. They don't get to decide that they want to enter the United States. It's our invitation to have them come in as a guest of our country.
Ray Lahoud deals primarily with federal law, so he and DA Morganelli rarely meet in court. Despite ideological differences, both men express mutual respect. But recent actions by the Trump administration reinforce DA Morganelli's position on immigration and will directly impact Ray's clients.
I feel like $1 million right now, but there's like this nerve inside of me of not succeeding because the worst thing the most painful thing that I have to do in any of these cases is to walk outside and tell the wife or the child that your husband or your son's just lost the case. He's gonna get deported.
Ray meets with the wife of his client from Nicaragua who was detained earlier in the week. While she is a U.S. citizen, she asks that we conceal her identity. Her employers don't know her husband is undocumented.
You know, it's always been my fear. I've lived every day just anxious, you know, worrying when he's going to call me that he's coming home. He's amazing. He's been a great father to my daughter. He provides, he takes care of the home, takes care of our daughter. So we really want him back.
I don't believe there's a lot of sympathy out there for people who came across the border illegally. The average folks are not sympathetic to a bunch of lawbreakers running in the border and then demanding rights once they get here. They're not sympathetic to that.
It's always been like this. We've been fighting it for years, and it's great that we're getting all kinds of attention on it now. And maybe what is happening right now will lead to immigration, like serious immigration reform, because these are people's lives.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.